How to find following list settings on TikTok now. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find following list settings on TikTok now. First open TikTok now and then click on your profile here in the bottom corner. After that click these three lines and then click privacy and comments. I mean following list. Here is it. And that's it. Who can see your following list? And that's it. Here you can manage who can see your following list. It's easy, just you can make it for only your followers or only you. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.